get these studs replaced because at this point in time, it doesn't matter if we get new wheels with the studs that we've got and how they're broken. If we get a flat tire on the street right now and it's not this wheel, we're pretty much screwed. What's up, everybody? We are starting off at the house today because we have tracked down a driver's side fender for the Crown Vic. We're gonna go pick it up. It's about a half hour away. So as you can see here, we do have a little bit of rust on the front fender right here. But other than that, there's just a few little dings on the car. This side is good, no rust. And then we've got this little issue right here that we can go ahead and fix. We're gonna go ahead and pound that out, weld it up. We're probably gonna roll the fenders on each side, get this fixed, and then we've got this little issue here that will get fixed, and then a bumper cover. And after we do that, we can do a whole paint job on it, and then it's gonna be a wild burnout machine from there. So if you guys wanna stick around, hit the subscribe button if you want after the S10 warms up, and head over to get the parts so we can get the new fender on. For our 2002 Ford Crown Vic. What's up, everybody? As you know, we've got a new 2002 Crown Vic, well, new to us, and we have a set of wheels laying around that we were able to pick up somewhere at some time that we were going to powder coat, and we believe that they're going to fit on this. We're going to go ahead and see how well these fit. We're going to do a little work here on the Crown Vic. We got a new fender, as you saw, and we're going to just start putting this together and piecing it together, getting it ready for paint. If you haven't let us know your thoughts on a paint color, comment down below. Seems like somebody fucked up these lugs. Most all of those are stripped. So we swap sides because there is a bolt over on the other side, a stud that is stripped and it's holding it on. We are going to go ahead and replace the studs on this car because there are two other wheels where the studs are stripped. So we're probably going to end up just replacing them all. But instead of dealing with it right now until we get the studs in, we're just going to go ahead and switch to the other side and see if we can't get a mock-up of this wheel.
It's moving the whole stud. So let's go to the front. Now for the main show.
See if these are going to fit. These deep ass motherfuckers may not fit up front. May not fit at all. Nope. Not going to fit. The wheels are too big. So these wheels are not going to fit on there. We're going to have to see if we can find another set and go from there. Our first thing that we're going to do anyways before we get new wheels, we're going to get these studs replaced because at this point in time, it doesn't matter if we get new wheels with the studs that we've got and how they're broken. If we get a flat tire on the street right now and it's not this wheel, we're pretty much screwed. First things first, we need to get the studs, all new studs on this vehicle. That way we know we're good, we're safe, and everything's good. We are just doing a test with hot glue right now. We don't know how well it's going to work.
It's not the proper way of doing it.
You want me to get the torch so it would be a little easier so you're not heating your finger?
It might be. What do you think a strategic spot would be? Right here? Right in the center?
Yeah, go start with the center and pull from there, and then work our way out from there. We really didn't expect this to work, and of course it didn't, but we do have a friend that is a master auto body tech, and he's going to help us and lend us the tools that we need to do this correctly.
I hit recorded job, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always bored.
Now let's work this dent out a bit.
Charlotte like I play for Hornets. When I'm performing, never boring.
It's not easy because there is a structural piece behind it, so we do not have direct access to push on the dent from the back end. We have to come in at an angle. We don't have the correct tools, but Alan is going to help us out with that.
I press the button and the doors go off like, whoa. That money clip us now, the new now looks like, whoa. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa, 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 whoa. Neighborhood on the scene.
So we got the piece up here pretty good. Obviously it still needs work, but it's definitely looking like 80% better